Yeah. They carved the stone, but never signed the name. Lit every candle through the wind and rain. Held up the roof while the world took the praise. Hidden in the silence of forgotten days. Worked with tired hands beneath the pale moonlight. Dreams folded away before the morning light. Every whispered prayer carried someone through. History looked away, but heaven knew. For most of history, she walked unseen, living between the pages where she'd never been. She gave the melody while others took the stage. Left her heart in every single page. Still her spirit rises like the dawn above. No chain can bury truth. No silence conquers love. The flags that kings would proudly raise. Fed the fire through the darkest days. Painted the colors nobody would claim. The masterpiece remembered, but forgotten was her name. Sacrifice that made another whole. The river keeps on flowing, though no one knows the spring. Some of the greatest voices never got to sing. For most of history, she walked unseen, living between the page. Still her spirit rises like the dawn above. No chain can bury truth. No silence conquers love. Now the dust is settling, the truth is finding light.